Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix KB5079473. Update not installing on Windows 11 with error codes 0x800f0991, 0x80073712, or 0x80073712. First, type CMD in Windows Search, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Now run the SFC DISM scan and restore health commands provided in the video description. Let all scans complete and then restart your computer. If the update still fails, open Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. Then resume Updates and try installing again. Next, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find and restart these services. App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Windows Update. Set them to Automatic. Click Apply. Then restart each service. If the issue continues, open the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for KB5079473. Now download the correct version for your Windows version and system type, and install the update manually. If it still doesn't work, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and select Fix Problems using Windows Update to reinstall Windows without losing files. As a last step, use the Windows Media Creation tool to perform an in-place repair installation. One of these methods should help you install the update successfully. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.